Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make overnight oats with just water. So first things first, I have some rolled oats or old-fashioned oats. Overnight oats work best with these larger flaked oats, and I'm taking about half a cup inside of a jar. Now to these oats, of course, we're gonna add water, but now is the time, if you wanted to add some flaxseed or chia seeds, you would put them at this point. So I'm just going to add a little bit of flax and a little bit of chia seeds. I'm gonna move them around a little bit. And then for this half a cup of oats, I'm gonna add about 3/4 of a cup of water. I like my overnight oats to be nice and thick. So it's half a cup of rolled oats or old-fashioned oats and 3/4 of a cup of water is the ratio. With my spoon, I'm going to move it around and give it a good mix. And then I just put my lid on it. The overnight oats are gonna sit in the fridge at least 4 to 8 hours or overnight, therefore the name. And the next morning, you just simply grab them out of the fridge. And right here we have our oats with water. Now let me give you a quick close-up so you can see the texture. The oats have puffed up and absorbed most of the water and they're nice and thick. Now, of course, you can serve them plain like this. You can warm them up, but I like to top mine with some yogurt and some fresh berries so they're a little tastier. You can also add any kind of fruit inside of your jar the night before, and in the morning they would be in here waiting for your spoon. Simple, delicious, perfection. If you love overnight oats, make sure to watch this next video. See you guys next time.